Hi, I am Chanchala, second year data science student from Department of Future Studies. Today I am going to demonstrate an AI experiment called as Imaginary Soundscape. Imaginary Soundscape is a web-based sound installation focusing on an unconscious behavior of our human beings. That is, we the human beings can imagine sound by taking a glance at a photo. That is, if we are given a photo of a beach without being aware of it, the sound of the crashing waves comes to our mind. We may also hear the sounds of horns and people chatting when we look at a photo of a busy street. Imaginary soundscapes gives us soundscapes that is generated by the deep learning models in the system. This work is based on the recent development of the cross-model information retrieval technique using deep learning. By giving video input, the system was trained with two models. First one is pre-trained image recognition model, and the second one is convolutional neural network, which is able to read the audio as spectrogram images. That is, if we are given an image as an input, it will give us the best matched sound file for the scene. So now let's demonstrate our experiment. We have two options out here. Either I can go for browse street view or upload your image. First, I'm gonna select upload your image. I have already downloaded some of the images to my PC, so I'm gonna load the files. First, I'm gonna select the picture of a waterfall. Open. Yeah, when we think about waterfalls, the first thing comes into our mind is the sound of the water falling from the height, right? So now let's check for another image. I'm gonna check for it's a stadium. And yes, when we think of a stadium, the atmosphere, we know that the whistling, the clapping, the cheering of the fans of the players, right? So we got that. And let's check for another image also. I have just googled some photos. It is a Trishul Puram firework photo. Then I'm gonna copy the image address of this photo and I'm gonna paste it out here and gonna load it. Yes, it is a sound we could hear when the firework is going on. So now let us select the option browse street view. When we select the browse street view option, the Google will give us some random street locations or some random locations, and the AI will provide us with the soundscape which is more matchable to the location that we have already given by Google. So I am going to select browse street view option. we have some market. We have the picture of a market. And also we have an option here called as random. If we select on that option random, the Google will change the location. So I'm going to select random. It is a stadium. And apart from random, we also have an option called as address, where you can, if you want to search for some particular locations, you can add the location address to it and click on search. So it will give the location and the audio file also. That's all. Thank you.